Welcome back to your journey from fear to fluency. This is episode 4 of our 30-day English Confidence Challenge. Day 4. Today is different. No mirror, no notebook, no practice alone. Today Ravi will speak to a real person. For 3 days he practiced alone. He spoke to the mirror. He learned new words. He spoke for 2 minutes non-stop. But today there is no second chance. At college, a new student joined the class. He spoke good English, confident, calm, natural. The teacher said, Ravi, please help him find the library. Ravi's heart skipped a beat. His mind said, not today. You are not ready. You will make mistakes. His hands felt cold again. That old fear come back. But something was different. This time Ravi did not step back. He remembered mistakes are not enemies. Silence is the enemy. He took a deep breath and walked toward the new student. Ravi said, Hi, I am Ravi. The student smiled. Hi. Ravi continued, You are new here? The student nodded, Yes. Ravi said slowly, I can show you the library. His grammar was simple, his sentences were short, but he was speaking. They walked together. They talked for 5 minutes. Not perfect English, not advanced vocabulary, just simple conversation. And nothing bad happened. No one laughed, no one judged. The word did not end. For the first time, Ravi felt something new. Not fear, not doubt, but confidence. Not because his English was perfect, but because he used it. Listen carefully. You don't improve by studying more. You improve by speaking more. Books build knowledge, conversation build confidence. Today's task, talk to one real person in English. It can be a friend, a classmate, a shopkeeper, anyone. Speak at least 5 sentences. Don't escape, don't delay, just speak. Day 4 is complete. Ravi is still learning, but now he is no longer afraid of people. Tomorrow he will face something harder, a group conversation. Are you ready for day 5? Tell me in comment box.